In modern warfare, a chilling saying has emerged: first seen, first killed. This phrase reflects the brutal reality of today's battlefields. Whoever spots the enemy first gains a decisive advantage. The ability to quickly identify and target adversaries has become paramount. This shift is driven by rapid advancements in military technology. Weapons are no longer blunt instruments of destruction. They have transformed into precise tools capable of eliminating targets with incredible speed and accuracy. This new reality demands a fundamental change in how we think about warfare. Gone are the days of massive armies clashing in open fields. Modern conflicts are characterized by lightning-fast engagements, often decided in seconds. Today's battlefields are dominated by smart weapons. These advanced munitions utilize sophisticated guidance systems, enabling them to strike targets with pinpoint precision. Guided missiles, laser-guided bombs, and autonomous drones have become commonplace. These weapons dramatically increase the lethality of modern warfare. The margin for error has shrunk significantly. A single strike can cripple enemy infrastructure or eliminate high-value targets. This evolution in weaponry has had a profound impact on military strategy. Stealth technology, once a novelty, is now crucial for survival. Concealment and deception have taken on new importance in this high-stakes environment. The adage "knowledge is power" rings especially true in modern warfare. The ability to detect and track enemy movements is paramount. This is where sensors come into play. Modern militaries deploy a vast array of sensors, both in the air and on the ground. Radar systems, infrared cameras, and acoustic detectors create a comprehensive picture of the battlefield. These sensors provide real-time intelligence, allowing commanders to make informed decisions. They can track enemy troop movements, identify potential threats, and direct firepower with incredible accuracy. The advancements in weapons technology and sensor systems have ushered in a new age of warfare. Conflicts are faster, more precise, and potentially more devastating than ever before. This new reality has profound implications for global security. The potential for escalation is heightened, and the consequences of conflict are more severe. As technology continues to advance, it is crucial that we understand the changing nature of warfare. We must adapt our strategies, strengthen international cooperation, and work towards a more peaceful future.